Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge charger key. To program a new key yourself, you must have two currently working keys. If you only have one or no working keys, you will need to visit a dealership or a certified automotive locksmith. They possess specialized diagnostic tools to program new keys without the two-key requirement. This method ensures proper synchronization and security for your vehicle. Once you have your two working keys, the process begins. Insert the first working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Leave it there for at least 3 seconds, but no more than 15 seconds. After the security light turns off, remove the key. Immediately, within 10 seconds, insert your second working key and turn it to the on position. Now it's time to introduce your new key. Within 10 seconds of removing the second working key, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position and hold it there for 10 seconds. During this time, the vehicle's security light should flash, then turn off. This sequence confirms that the new key has been successfully programmed. After programming, thoroughly test your new key. Check that all remote functions, like locking and unlocking doors, work correctly. Also, ensure the engine starts reliably with the new key. If you encounter any issues, repeat the programming steps carefully. Remember, proper key maintenance helps prevent future problems. And hey, for different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.